Hey y'all, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm showing you how to pick up stitches on a cast-on edge. If you look closely at these two pictures here I have for you, the first one shows what it looks like when you pick up under the two loops of the cast-on edge. On the second one here, where I just pick up going into the center V, you'll notice that the transition is much smoother and it just looks like it's the same fabric. Both of these are correct. There's nothing wrong with picking up under the two loops, but you can just see if you want like a nice smooth join, how much better this second option is. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So here I have my upper back worked and my back of neck marked off, and I need to pick up stitches on the cast-on edge for my shoulders. So when I work like this, I've already worked this upper back piece top down. So I'm going to go into the cast-on edge, but I'm not going to pick up stitches on the cast-on stitch. I'm going to pick up the next stitch below, and I'm going to go into the center of the V so that I have a smooth transition. So not here under this cast-on stitch. Okay, so I insert my right hand needle into the center of that V, yarn over like I would to knit, and pull that piece through. And there I've picked up one stitch. Now usually on the cast-on edge you pick up stitch for stitch. Leave a long enough tail to weave in, go into the next V, yarn over, pull up a loop, we've cast on two. So this is picking up and knitting because we're adding a yarn and a new length of yarn and picking up stitches as we go, which is different than just picking up. And I just keep repeating, making sure that you are looking for that V. You can kind of spread your stitches apart a little if you need to. So when I get into the center here, it's giving me a nice transition, and that seam for my cast on edge is going to be behind and on the inside of my work.